Across the globe, street food weaves a tapestry of flavor that narrates migration, trade routes, and shared hunger. From a smoky curb in Lagos to a sunlit stall above a Lisbon quay, every bite echoes a history of idea and improvisation. Chefs and vendors remix local ingredients into portable treasures that travel with crowds, rain or shine. These small kitchens reveal resilience, community, and the fearless curiosity that sparks lasting culinary mashups. In the end, street food becomes a passport without borders, inviting everyone to taste the world and share unforgettable moments.